Hi friends and everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening because we're going to be doing our BoxyCharm review. I got my PR box and my paid box, so let's get into this video. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you want to see what I got this month, just keep on watching. Okay, so BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It is going for, I think, $30 or $27 now. You get 5 full-size items with an average of $175 or more. With BoxyCharm base box, every month you can upgrade to premium and or luxe once subscribe. So I just want to say thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this PR box. PR box means so much to me because I'm a tiny channel and I am still trying to grow my socials, so please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get right into this. So I am super excited because I just still love BoxyCharm so much, and I've been with them for I think about a year. I had it in the beginning, then I canceled it, but now I'm back into it because now I just want to get into more different kinds of products to use and just keep on learning about different brands, and yeah, just keep on getting different products. Anyways, I'm rambling, so let's get into this. So this is my March BoxyCharm. Here is the little card. The theme for this month is Game Changer, so let us go right into it. So the first item we have is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's right here. Let me turn this light down a little bit so we're not so washed out. And it is it's a blush palette. Look how beautiful this blush palette is. It has 6 colors in it. Charm your cheeks. Don't stare directly at your cheeks wearing this hypnotizing blush palette. It is retails for $39. So let's go. Okay. The next item is from Aceology Detox Treatment Mask. Here it is right here. A supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to withdraw out blackheads and impurities and clear out super clogged pores. So this is great when you have a full face of makeup on. I have a full face of makeup on because I did a photo shoot with one of my friends from Virginia. I will have photos up on Instagram once that happens. It was so exciting. We did it down in our city and it was just a lot of fun. So this, I will use this later to take off all this makeup that I have on. And this retails for $69. Holy, yep. So this is from Aceology Beauty, and it is a charcoal. Is it a charcoal mask? Yes, it's a charcoal mask. So this would be a really great mask for that much money. The next item is from Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph, Nectar, Fruit, and Radiance Balms. I did get one of these in my previous BoxyCharm, but I'm not mad at it because this is great for your face. And it adds nutrients to your face with different vitamins, so this is a great to also have. And this retails for $38. I remember it smelled like Starburst, so plus 38. The next item I got was from Appeal Cosmetics, and it's this beautiful liquid lipstick. It's right here. It's really pretty. A luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This retails for $21, so it's really pretty. It's a really like nude kind of pink, like a rosy nude pink color. Really pretty. So this retails for $21. Last item is actually a hair item. I haven't gotten any hair items in a while. This is from Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. My hair could definitely use this. Look, I got it colored, I think earlier this month or last month, and you know, like when you do so much damage to your hair, it damages your hair. When you color your hair so much, it damages your hair. So I need some kind of a pick-me-up. This would be great. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil, hydrated and glossy hair. So this would be great to put in. So it will be a good treatment for your hair, and hopefully it will be healthy and shiny after I use it. I don't know if it's open. No, oh, you can smell it. Oh, it has a really nice smell to it. This retails for $16.95. So I added it up, and this box retails for $183.95. I'm super excited about this box. It's really good, and I do like all the products. My favorite thing would probably be the blush, because I'm always looking for a new blush, and these blushes are beautiful for the spring and summer coming up. I like the bottom row because I think it'll look really good with my skin. So I want to say thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this PR box for March. Let's compare it to what I got in my paid box. Okay. So this is my paid box for this month. And we have the same game changer. And I got an array of 5 items. So let us put in it. So the first item I got is from Rare Beauty. Always Optimist Illuminizing Primer. So it's right here. A cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates skin. The thing is, like, I think I have more combination skin, especially here in my T-zone. So this might work, especially like around my cheeks area, because I am kind of dry there. So I can try this out. Let's see if I can get it open, see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, here it is. So this is my Rare Beauty, and this retails for $26. It is a primer for your face. Oh, I got another item from Earth Harbor Naturals. We actually got another hair item. Fortify, nourish, and revive dull, damaged hair by using superfoods, seaweed, and coconut. Anti-pollution properties of jasmine and candula flowers. So it's a serum. So you massage it into your scalp to promote energy, hair follicles, and envelope hair in a crowning aroma of fruit flowers. So it's good for dry scalp and for the ends. So this will be great to use after that other hair mask. I wonder if we can open and smell it. Oh yeah, it smells really. It kind of smells like the face balm. Okay. Not mad at it. And this retails for $30. The next item I got is from Luxie Florals brush set. So it's just another brush set. I do love getting brushes because I always go through different brushes, and I love the case because the case is purple, my favorite color in the entire world. Purple and black. Okay, so we got Soar into Spring with the new brush set. We got an eyeliner brush set, a tapered blending brush set, eye shading brush set, and concealer brush. Oh, nice. So I actually needed a new concealer brush, so I am excited for this brush set. Here it is here, and I got a little beauty blender with it. Thank you for this. I will definitely be using that, and I'll probably take them out of this little bag and put it to use right away. And they feel really soft. There's this one brush that looks like the blending brush. Yeah, the tapered blending. It feels really, really soft, and you want kind of like a dense brush, especially when you are blending your colors together. Very, very nice. And this retails for $40. The next item is from Frank Body, and this is a brightening vitamin C mask. I do like Frank Body's products. I got the Frank Booty Drops. It was like caffeinated booty drops, and I've been using it on my bum. And I like the results of it so far. So I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, along with this other the Cocoa Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. That smells so good for your butt too. And I really do like their products. They're cruelty free, so I can't wait to use this and try it out. And this retails for $19.95, and their products are not very expensive. So guys, I went on their website because I was interested in their skincare products, and I think I'm going to also try their skincare line out soon. And this retails for $19.95. And the last item is from Lauren Conrad Beauty, the liquid eyeliner. I've always wanted to try Lauren Conrad's brand, and I'm really excited that I finally got something for her in my collection. This is her liquid eyeliner. I think I remember her when she came out with her line a long time ago. Oh, it's really thin. I don't know if I'm gonna like it though. I don't like these pen types, but I guess I should try to give them a chance. It's not that bad. This retails for $20. So the retail value of this box is $135.95. So to compare both boxes, honestly, I like things out of both boxes this month. I can't pick a winner that I do like, because I do like items out of this box, and I do like items out of the other box. Well, that was everything in both boxes. I want to say thank you again to BoxyCharm for gifting me the March's Game Changer PR box this month. And I'm going to be trying to get my life together and create more videos for you guys. I say this every time. The problem is just like getting time to sit here and do this, and getting focused, getting reorganized. I cannot show you this space. It's such a mess. I gotta get my life together. We're getting there. Every day is a struggle, but you know, one day at a time. So I just want to say thank you guys for coming back and visiting me and my tiny channel. I'm getting there, one day at a time. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Good night, everybody. I will see you guys later. Bye.